Hello everyone and happy March. It is time to do the unboxing for the March Knit Box. This is the monthly subscription box that folks can get through our website, through makersmercantile.com. You sign up and each month you get a little shipment with all kinds of stuff in it. So what's in here? There is there's yarn, of course. There is a pattern to make a project. There's also generally a download code for that pattern so you can get a digital version of it as well. There's usually some kind of a treat and a gift, and it happens once a month. So you can just sign up, and however long you'd like it, each month you get one of these boxes, and if you need a break or want to cancel, you just let us know, and it's easy as that. So let's see what's inside the March box. So there's sometimes a little bit of a clue to what the things are as far as coloring and stuff here, but we gotta see to see, right? So inside here there is a little joke. This is reserved now. I used to say them or read them to you on these videos, but I've decided to reserve them, at least I'm deciding today, to reserve them for folks when they get their box. So you get to laugh along at that punny joke. A little bit of tissue paper in here, and then there's this. So what is this? This is 2 balls of yarn. So this is a yarn called Edition 6. Edition 6 is a yarn from Shuppel. It is a 100% extra fine superwash merino. It's from Patagonia, and it is just lovely. These are both color 2511, and you can see how different the color might be from one ball to the other. They're a bit of a surprise, so yours might look a little different. You can also see how sort of stripy the yarn is. That's called barber pulling. That's where, you know, there's a black and a white yarn and they're sort of twisted around each other. The 2 different plies are twisted around each other. They create that fun effect. So 2 balls of color 2511, each one is a 50-gram ball. There is about 328 yards in one of these because it's lace weight. And what are we gonna make? So we're not gonna make lace exactly. I will show you what we've made. So this is called the Ripple Effect Scarf, and it's something that we came up with here in our design team, or group of us here. And so what it is a lovely scarf that has this really interesting stripe texture. I'm throwing things all over the place. And you can see that there is a difference in the density of the fabric. So in some spots, like here, we're holding both of the 2 yarns together. So you're holding yarn A and B together and working this section. And then you'll just work with yarn A for this little tiny lace section. Then you hold A and B together again and work this heavier section. And then you use B for the lace section. So you're alternating holding A and B together, then working A, then holding A and B together, and then working just with color B. The edge of the scarf has a bit of a scallop, which is really interesting, and it's a good size. So you can see, like, it's a good size scarf. I love this thing. It is, you know, just enough interest to keep us curious about what is going to happen next, and the color changing, since both yarns are changing color on their own. It is unpredictable, which I think is really awesome. It makes a good size scarf. The finished size on this is about 72 inches, and it's about 7 inches wide. So you'll block it, of course, and there's instructions on how we came about to make those cute little scallops on the one edge. So that is the Ripple Effect Scarf. There's also some little fishies, some Swedish fish, a little tiny treat. It's a one bag is 1 serving size, it says, so you don't have to share these. It says so right on the package. Fun little, a little bit of a candy here. There is, of course, a download code, so you can go onto the website there. It's a Ravelry address. You type that in, enter the code, and you'll be able to download that digital pattern. If you have a Ravelry account, you can pop it into your Ravelry library as well. And then the last little thing that's in here is something from Katrinkles. So these are little sheepies These are Sheepy yarn bobbins, and these are used to hold little scraps of yarn. You don't need them for this project particularly, but if you have a little bit of yarn left over, you can make your little sheep into a fluffier sheep and hold on to that scrap. They're great for intarsia as well. And you just wrap it around the little sheep body, and then you can put that end into like where the sheepy's mouth is. And so those are really fun as well. These are all made in Rhode Island by Katrinkles and the team, which is really awesome. Hopefully you enjoy those. So that's it. That is what's in this box. Hopefully you are enjoying these little unboxing videos. If you'd like to make the ripple effect scarf, we might have a couple of these boxes still available. They're gonna go pretty quick, I think, because this is a really fun project and a great value. So head on over to our website, click on Knitbox up in that top menu, and you should be able to get there, and you'll see the available knit boxes, the ones we might have a couple extra of. And that also is the place where you'll go if you'd like to sign up so that you can start getting knit boxes in beginning the next month. If you have questions or need anything at all from us, you just reach out. You can email us hello@makersmercantile.com or give us a call at 206-747-7121, and we will always be happy to hear from you. So that's it from me for March. Have a wonderful month, everyone. Thank you for watching our videos. We'll see you again in April. Thanks for watching.